Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Fingers Crossed. Fingers Crossed is a series where I try out really interesting or hyped out mostly Asian beauty products. In today's episode, I'll actually be trying another Daiso product, which is their Puff Sponge Detergent. Now this Puff Sponge Detergent is supposed to help get rid of foundation stains right away, and there's supposed to be no fragrance or artificial colours. When I went to read the reviews online, a lot of people actually said that this product was excellent because it was so cheap and it really does a good job of cleaning your makeup sponges. So in order to test this product out, I actually have three different types of sponge puffs. The first is Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, which is kind of like a dupe for a beauty blender. The second is just a normal cosmetic puff. And last is your cushion foundation puff. So how this product works is that basically I'm just supposed to apply a suitable amount onto a dry sponge, then rub it with my fingers, rinse it with water, and then to make sure it's extra clean, rinse it with running water. So I have a bowl of water here that I'm going to rinse it in later. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to pour a little bit first. Wow, it's actually thicker than I expected. So I'm rubbing with my fingers and some of the product has come out, but I think I need to put a little bit more. It's starting to squeeze out as I apply. There's product coming out. I'm going to rinse it with water. So for the Miracle Complexion Sponge, I actually think I did a pretty good job and it was really very easy. But I do think I missed a few spots here and there, which is why there's a few left. But other than that, great, really fast. I'm going to try now with the other sponge. I'm going to be a bit more generous this time and put more. So the texture of this sponge is actually a little bit tougher, so it's not as easy to rub my fingers with it. But I'm just going to put it in the water and see how. Ooh, it's coming out. So similar to the Miracle Complexion Sponge, this one also did have a few spots left over, but I think those are really deep-seated foundation stains, so it would maybe take me 2 or 3 more times before I can really get it clean. I'm gonna move on to the cushion foundation now, and I've actually set up my phone camera here just so you guys can see what happens with the water. And yeah, I'm gonna pour some detergent. I think it's much easier to gauge for a cushion foundation sponge.
This was actually the easiest and fastest in terms of getting the foundation out. Once that was done, I rinsed it in water and then rinsed it under running water again like I did with the others, and it was as good as new.
All in all, I think it worked well across all three. I think with just one wash, I actually managed to get rid of a lot of the foundation stains, especially for the cushion puff. That's where I really saw it being almost completely gone. I do think I would have to do it maybe one more time for the complexion sponge and the other puff. But I do think this is a great all-in-one product to clean all your sponges. You don't need different things, you just need one item, and it's so cheap and affordable, and it works well. However, I do think there are two downsides. Because this is a detergent, you need to make sure that you wash it under running water and you get all of that out because you don't want to leave that to dry. So the second thing is that I do feel like it's a little bit harsh on my hands after a while, so I definitely will not be washing a lot of my sponges at once, because even after washing about 4 sponges here, I do feel like my hands have gotten slightly rough. So yeah, I'm not loving that after feeling on my fingers. Other than that, I still think it's a great product because it's cheap, it's easy to use, it's fast, it works across multiple products, and it's effective. I would just be more careful with my hands, maybe wear a glove, I don't know. I'll just be more careful with my hands and making sure I run it under running water. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your notification bell so that you know when a new video is out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!